Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a table placemat. So you can see this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first take it out, and you see there's a bunch of them inside. So you see there's a total of 8 of them. They do have this available in a bigger pack or a smaller pack. And they also have this available in a different design as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But since all these are the same, let me take out one of them to show you guys what she looks like. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So if you see the design or the pattern that's on here actually looks pretty nice. And when you guys view the material that's on here, it actually feels pretty nice as well. It definitely has like that non-slip material that's on here. So that way when you guys put your plates or utensils on here, it won't really move. But you see the product is actually pretty big, so it will give you guys a pretty good coverage when you guys do put it on a table. And supposedly for this placemat, it is washable, so if you guys do need to wash it, feel free to do so. And the material that's on here is waterproof and stain resistant, so if you guys do spill stuff on here, it should be really easy for you to wipe it off, or even rinse it off as well. And for this placemat, they do mention how it's heat resistant up to a certain extent. As long as what you guys put on top does not exceed 176 degrees Fahrenheit, then you should be fine. But when you guys bring it up close, you can definitely see that kind of a vinyl or woven kind of design that looks pretty nice. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let's put this down on the table to show you guys what she looks like when you guys do put some stuff on here. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so once you guys set the product, here is what it looks like on the table. So see for the placemat, it does give you guys a good amount of coverage on here. So that way you put your utensils on here and your plate as well. And when you guys try to move the product, and see how the non-stick layer doesn't work on this type of table that we do have. There are certain tables that it will work, but for the one that we have right here will not work. But when you guys do move the plate, and you see how the plate doesn't move, but the bottom part does. So you see the non-stick material that's on here definitely does work. But here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up onto your table. So like I mentioned, for the product is washable. So if you guys rinse it, you can see how all the water just comes off so easily, since it is waterproof as well. So if you guys do end up dropping stuff on here, or if you guys get stained on here, it should be fine, since it is supposed to be stain resistant. Welcome back guys. So nice little quick test product definitely actually does work and should work quite well. If you see once you guys do set it up, it actually looks pretty nice. Especially once you guys put like your utensils, your plates, and etc. So whether if you guys want to use it at home, in the office, or anywhere else, wherever you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we did unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality placemat that's used for a dining table when you guys are eating at home, in office, or anywhere else. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.